Students, welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to know about the combination connections of resistors. First of all, we have to know about a resistor. What is a resistor? A resistor is a material which offers resistance to the flow of current. That means the material which opposes the passage of current. Then, do you know how many resistors are there? There are so many types of resistors. Look here. Here are some resistors given. In olden days, all these are used in circuits. But nowadays, we are using smaller resistors. Here, the second resistors are nowadays we are using. Then, how can we combine these resistors? That means, in how many ways resistors are connected? Look here, here is an electric circuit. In this circuit, resistor is denoted by capital R. Observe carefully. Always we have to show resistance like this. And in an electric circuit, resistors can be connected in series or in parallel. In first diagram, resistors are connected series. In the second diagram, resistors are connected in parallel. Observe the difference carefully and also observe how they are connected. In the first figure, the connection is called as series connection. In the second figure, the connection is called as parallel connection. Here, now we are going to see resistors in parallel. Look here. R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel and the voltage is same at all the ends of resistors R1 and R2 and R3. But what is going on here? Observe carefully. The current I is passing all these three resistors. Look here. I1 is divided into current I is divided into three parts, I1, I2 and I3. Again it is coming out as I. Let I1, I2 and I3 be the current flowing through the resistors R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Then, look here, we know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So, here in this circuit, I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. According to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. Current flowing through R1 is equal to I1, that is V by R1. Current flowing through R2, that is I2, equal to V by R2. And current flowing through R3, that is equal to I3, equal to V by R3. But we know that I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Therefore, by substituting the values in this equation, we get V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. We can cancel V throughout the equation. Then we get 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. By this equation, we can find resultant resistance throughout the circuit. That means if three resistors are connected in parallel, then the resultant resistance can be calculated by the equation 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. In the same way, if three resistors are connected in series, look here, in this circuit, three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. The potential difference at the ends of R1, R2 and R3 will be V1, V2 and V3. Observe carefully. Here the potential difference is divided. In the previous circuit, the current is divided into I1, I2 and I3. But here the voltage is dividing into V1, V2 and V3. Moreover, the current I is same throughout the circuit. Look here. Let V1, V2 and V3 be the potential drops across R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Then we know that V is equal to IR. Here V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 because it is in series connection. According to Ohm's law, R equal to V by I. Therefore, here potential drop across R1 is equal to V1 equal to IR1. Similarly, V2 is equal to IR2. Similarly, V3 is equal to IR3. But we know that V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. By substituting these values, we get IR equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Then we can cancel I throw out the equation. Then we get R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means if the resistors are connected in series, then the resultant resistance is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. If two or more resistors are connected in series, the effective resistance of the circuit is equal to the sum of the resistance of the individual resistance in the circuit. Observe all the videos in the channel. There are so many videos in this channel. You go through them, and also if there is any doubt, you ask your teacher and clarify your doubts. Thank you.